All right, trapezoids, here we go. Actually, I'm going to start with the second one over here. We're going to start with this one. So one of the things about trapezoids is that the consecutive angles at the end of a base have to be supplementary. So like angle 1 and this 55, they're consecutive angles. 1's at the end of this top base, 55's at the end of this bottom base. Remember, the bases are the sides that are parallel. So angle 1 plus the 55 have to add up to 180. And so if you do 180 minus 55, you get 125. So angle 1 is 125 degrees. Now, because of these little tick marks right here, this is actually an isosceles trapezoid. Isosceles trapezoid. And when you have that special kind of trapezoid, the angles at the ends of the same base are equal. So like the 55 and the 3 are angles at the end of this bottom base. So they're going to be equal. So angle 3 is going to be 55 degrees. And then 1 and 2 are the angles at the end of this top base. So they're going to be the same. So angle 2 is going to be 125 degrees. So there's that one. And then let's go back to this first one over here. I wanted to do it second because it's kind of tilted. It's a little bit harder to look at. So the 1 and the 79 are at the ends of two different bases. You have this base that's kind of on the left and this one on the right. And since these angles, 1's at the end of the left base, 79 is at the end of the right base, those guys have to add up to 180. So angle 1 plus the 79 has to be 180. So if you do 180 minus 79, you get that angle 1 is 101 degrees. And then angle 2 is at a different end of the same base of 79. They're at opposite ends of this base on the right. So using our little isosceles trapezoid thing over here, they are congruent. So angle 2 is 79 degrees.